Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Shiv Prasad. I'm working as a specialist orthodontist at New Ivory Dental and Implant Clinic. Damon braces are a category of self-ligating brackets, which basically means that they have a passive sliding wall rather than having a complicated rubber assembly to secure the arch wire into the bracket. Now, what advantages does this system offers are: first, they are comfortable, easier to clean and less painful. Damon braces, when you compare with the regular braces, they reduces the duration of treatment by 20 to 30%. As it does not serve as a food trap, you are less likely to have gum issues like bleeding gums, swollen gums, or issues related to teeth like tooth decay. And in mild to moderate cases, with Damon braces you can avoid extraction, so you may not need to go for removal of any of the tooth during your treatment. For further details, you can visit me in person at New Ivory Dental and Implant Clinic and let me help to give you a beautiful smile that you deserve.